This is just a comparison between two 1HZ vacuum pumps. This one is currently out of the motor, out of my car, and this one here is out of the second motor that I've got. And here's the one I'm pulling out, so the suspected shit one. Just have a listen. I can feel a crunch, like it's getting caught on something, as well as not being able to feel anything coming out of the rear here. Nothing at all. This is the other motor, the one on the jack stand. All ports. There we go. Actually doing its job. Okay. And then back to the other one. Not really doing its job. Spilling oil everywhere. So there's something wrong internally in this one. See if I can find a rebuild kit, but hopefully this helps anyone diagnosing a vac pump for a 1HZ. Oh, Jesus. So yeah, quite easy to remove. 214s. You got a 12 here that's hanging onto this bad boy. I forgot the orientation. Like that. And then it's a 12 up in there. You got to undo, and they've got copper washers behind them. This one will fall off when you undo it, because behind this union, I think they're called, that'll fall out, and the other one will be stuck on this union too. They're your 14s. But yeah, it's quite easy. You'll just have to adjust the gear until you find the sweet spot. Alright. So when you are replacing it, make sure you change the O-ring. I'm just whacking this back on so it's nice and sealed up, but I'll pull this back off and rebuild anyway. So. You've got 2 bolts. Yep. Just adjust the gear. Adjust the gear again. There we go. Right. So 2 nuts, sorry, 14mm each. You can loosen these off first if you like. Doesn't really matter which way. 14mm there, 14mm here. $14 on the two mounting points, so your orientation will look like that. The union here and the union on the side of the block. Now, swapping them over, I had a bit of difficulty. What I've done is add a couple of threads in the center here, and then I've got an extension, a couple of extensions, and I lined up that sucker first and jammed in one of the union bolts in. Now there's a copper crush washer in there. Mine was stuck to it on both motors, but you can pick them off and replace them. So yeah, you just jam one in. And just clean this shit off first. Yep. So you line the block one up first. And screw that one in halfway. Put all my extensions away. But yeah, screw that one in. That's a 12mm. Screw. And you got the other union bolt. This one goes into the union. And then you've got a copper washer. It goes in between the two. And then into the front of the vac pump. Yeah, so secure that one first, secure this one, and then secure the center. And then it should line up pretty damn easy. Beautiful. So it's just 2 14s on the bottom here, and at the top here, 12mm, 12mm, and 12mm. Just there on the motor itself, on the car itself. Get up in between the pump there. I found it easy doing it through here, and I just used the long extension bar. Same deal with that pipe mount, just here. Same thing, I'm done it from here. And then the 2 bolts, the 2 14s, one I have to do from the bottom, one I have to do from the top. Made life easier. And then you got the 2 vac lines, small one leading to the sensor, and the bigger one that leads to a hard line and back through to the back through here to the vac pump reservoir. You're still getting leaks. It's more than likely maybe check valve here. Could be seeping through that. You got a shit booster. You got shit lines. I've replaced all the lines because I thought air was getting in originally, causing the rattle or the ticking noise, but it was the pump itself. Oh, shit. There you go. I hope that somewhat helped. Yeah.